can't zoom. No.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
I have not been able to stop cheesing like a child.
It's because of all the tree stars.
There's so many leaves and they're so pretty.
When you visit a place that has seasons, like Michigan, you remember.
Anyway, we are headed to the apple orchard. Blake's Apple Orchard. And I am going to be in my element and acting like a 4-year-old because childhood. Yeah.
Driving by Tim Hortons.
I just want to stop and get a hot cocoa, honestly. So it's 46 degrees outside today. Overcast as per the usual in this part of Michigan. And I am in heaven. But only because I know I can go home.
We eject on Tuesday.
Yeah, so go Lions, go Leaves, yay apples. Then I need to get back to some sunshine.
All the fun stuff.
All the fun stuff.
Hey, babe.
Hi, babe.
Where are we?
We are at Blake's Apple Orchard and Cider Mill near Detroit, Michigan.
And
It only took us 45 minutes to park, but we're here.
but I'm excited.
I'm so excited. Oh yeah, I definitely needed the coat. Whew. Look at all the apples. Oh my god, homemade fudge. Yes. We're getting some. We're getting some of these. This is amazing. Look at this.
Okay.
I wish we could put smell-o-vision on this because it's like, oh,
What is the smell? Can you describe it?
it smells like cedar and apples and pie and donuts and my whole childhood.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
So can you get the spoils of our first stop at Blake's?
Hot apple cider. I haven't touched it yet, but oh my god, I cannot wait. And then 2 half-dozen donut bags. 1 with
Cinnamon sugar. That's my bag.
I'm gonna have one of those. And then also my favorite, plain. Okay, this is what I've been waiting for. I'm so unbelievably stupidly happy right now. Never fails. You're okay.
Hey, babe.
Hi. Hi.
Just play with some goats.
Sure did.
Saw a couple donkeys. Enjoying Blake's orchards.
I have some hot apple cider that is delicious.
It's fantastic.
Now we're gonna go do the corn maze
Yes, we are.
and then a hayride.
Hay rides and corn mazes, baby.
I'm 5.
This is what Michigan has to offer in the fall.
Let's go. Here it is.
Okay, corn fused.
Corn fused.
Get with us on the plane, so we're gonna have to do what we gotta do. Thanks, Blake.